So here I am fixing my 2006 Hummer H3 blower motor resistor and the harness for it as well. And as you can see, first thing I did here was pop this guy off the side here. This little tension string keeps it from just dropping down on you. Just gotta lift up the glove box a little bit and pull up on it toward yourself and it will release. Then pop these flanges down right here on either side. Just gotta squeeze in, see the flexibleness? Just gotta squeeze in on both sides, pull down. You can see the flanges right here on either side. Sorry, my auxiliary cable's in the way. And then when you go in here, you can actually see connection, wiring harness. This is what you're going to be replacing. This stays. You're just going to pop these guys out with little plug, real easy. Pop that out, pop that guy back. You will have to feed it through this little grommet that it kind of like, let's see if you can see that. Focus. Yeah, it kind of just hooks in that thing, so just pop it toward yourself and feed it down. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Now, what I didn't realize was that, let me grab a flashlight here, because see that gray thing back in there to the left with the little bit of a brown cable on it? Let's see if I can point on it. I can change angles. Sorry, moving the camera upside down. No, that didn't help. Turn it back that way. Okay. Can't really see it. But that guy, you gotta pop that gray clip off. Now what I had to do was I actually popped this little, can you see it? Yeah, this guy. You need a proper little tool. Just pop one, pop two. Whole panel just pops right off, and you'll be able to easily get into that right there. Once you've got that done, what I did was, to make it a little bit easier so that I didn't have this draping on me, I popped out these 3 screws in here. On 1, 2, 3. So I could just have this out of the way because I didn't want it dangling on me. But as you can see, there's your blower motor resistor. Just gotta unscrew that, take the whole thing out together, and then you've got your other clip right here, which is pretty easy, self-explanatory. Just little clips right here. Pop it out. Once you got all that removed, just figure out how to connect it all back into place. It's super duper easy. It's pretty self-explanatory. I would suggest popping this panel off. It's really easy. If you have, let me walk around and grab my tool. Because if you have, let's see here, all you need is this guy. That's it. Just this one tool. This little guy. I actually bought a kit that has all 5 of these body panel pulling pieces, whatever you want to call it, trim, everything. But I use this guy right here. I'll show you. Super duper simple. Just get it right behind. See your focus. There it is. So get it behind the whole thing. Kind of wiggle it a little bit, left and right, and you'll see it just kind of want to pop with you. There you go. There's the clip. And then just pop that little clip back up, and it's completely reusable. And I'll actually show you what it looks behind there and how easy it really is to pop off. Just in case you're wondering, well, you're popping off panels on your car, man. That's doom. Not really. Just comes right off. And right inside there, as you can see, I don't know if you can get that angle, that guy with the brown cable on it. You gotta get that fucker off. It's a pain in the butt, honestly. It probably took the most time trying to pull that out, more than anything. But once you get that one out, everything else disconnected, pretty simple. And there you have it, how to fix your blower motor resistor and your wiring harness for it. Now let me start up the car so I can show you that everything works perfectly fine. Turn it on. Yeah, upgrades. And she's blowing out. Nice. Nice. Oop. Enough. And there you have it, folks. She works perfect. And even if you want to see how I pop this guy back in, it's pretty simple. Just gotta force the butt in there first. Now she wants to be a butthead. Just lift up. That's why I took the glove box out. Makes that easier. Because you gotta have to lift up on the glove box with your hip or something, because it has to catches right back here. See, the glove box down all the way, it gets in the way of itself. So now, what you gotta do, grab your little cable, pop your glove box up, oop, pop it up, get this guy out of your way. Pop that there. It should face, let's see, can you see that? It should face that direction, just like that. Fucking sun. And it's just slip right in place. See? That cable there keeps it from just dropping right down. Nice, nice. Oh, it would help if you put these back in first. Make sure those little clips are popped out toward yourself. Boom. And see? Locked in. As long as that little pin is popped toward yourself. Up. And in. Solid. Perfect. And done. Thank you for watching my quick tutorial. I'm going to put another video on which shows prior to me, actually, because this is already done, but I wanted to show what it looked like before I removed it, because here's fried, where I fixed it once already. I spliced the cable here and was able to get actually 3 years extra out of it without having to replace the harness, because I've already replaced this guy once. But whatever. I think I spent maybe 75 bucks total on both parts. You can see that's fried there. So it's just shot. All nice and replaced. Still love this car though. My baby.